guys, welcome back to my channel. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you're subscribing to my channel and hitting on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. So, if you haven't watched my previous haul video, let me introduce this person sitting right next to me. She is my daughter Kanika. Say hi, Kanika. Do it like this. Okay, so she is going to assist me with the haul video today. She is going to take up the products and share it with me. So if you haven't watched my previous video, guys, related to the haul, I had already mentioned I got the products from the Unlock Beauty sale that was hosted in purple.com. And I'm not promoting the website or something. Usually as soon as I buy the products, my cart is full the very next day with the products that I want to purchase the next day, the next month. So I had products added in my cart and I checked the price literally every day to see the variation in price. So the products that I had added was worth 6,000, but my monthly budget is only 5,000. It was 6,500. I was very sad thinking that by the end of the month I have to cancel a few products because it is out of my budget completely. But guess what? Unlock Beauty sale had so much of good offers that I could get all of those products during the Unlock Beauty sale, and on the 26th I ordered it all off for just 5,000 rupees. 6,500 worth products on a daily basis. I got it for 5,000. Smart, right? Thank you. Okay. So guys, let's start with today's haul video. The second part. Here I am with the skincare. The hair care is over. It's in part 1. It's already on my channel. You can check it out on my channel. So here we begin with the skincare. Before we begin, here are the products we have for skincare. These many products. Guys, before we start with this video, I wanted to just make this note. I'm adding this. This week is October 10th is my birthday. So guys, I have a giveaway for all those subscribers. But well, right now I am not so well enough to give giveaways, but definitely this is a giveaway. When my channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, I am going to announce the giveaway. So yes guys, all you need to do to participate in this giveaway is like this video, watch the videos that I upload, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell icon, and also follow me on Instagram. The Instagram handle is right down on the description box, and then comment down to this video stating followed and participating. So whoever is the lucky winner will be declared on the special video that I would be making when I reach 1,000 subscribers. And the lucky winners will be winning a special giveaway. I will be selecting 10 people as the lucky winners. So yes guys, start participating and let's get started with the video. One by one on this video. So yes guys, let's start with the video. Yes Kanika. So this first product is a restock. I am using Aroma Magic Under Eye Cream. And that was for 199 rupees, and this is for 210 rupees. Of course I got it at a discount. I guess I must have got it somewhere around 25% discount for this. This is the Aroma Magic Under Eye Cream. So yes guys, the next product I have here is the charcoal peel off mask. Previously I was using the Good Vibes charcoal peel off mask. I finished it. I have showed it in my empties video. So this time I thought of buying something else, but I thought of Wow at first, but Wow is too expensive guys, like really expensive, and most of the time the Wow charcoal peel off mask is out of stock. So I thought let me try this. This is a Glamveda charcoal peel off mask with argan oil and aloe vera. Yes, with argan oil and aloe vera. So I don't know, it looks quite interesting, and it smells like Good Vibes charcoal peel off mask itself. So I don't know, it says it helps in tan removal, detoxifying and deep cleansing. Anyways, I'm going to use it only once a month. So let's see how it's going to work. The next product that I have is the one product that's being spoken about a lot these days on almost all the YouTube channels. So I thought why not, let me give it a try. They have like 4 new variants launched from Good Vibes, and that is their Good Vibes sleeping mask with no paraben, no sulfate, no animal testing, and I have it in the variant mulberry for depigmentation. So I haven't opened it yet. I will use it and I will share my review with you guys. The next product, this product guys, is again something that I got free from purple.com. It was their gift because I reached my first milestone of purchase of 2,500 from their allied products. So they have a coupon generated and they give you a product free. So I was really scared because some of them used to show kajal, some of them used to show like 2,500 rupees exactly perfume. I don't know, some of the YouTubers just hyped this up stating that they purchased for 2,500 and they got 2,500 rupees perfume. I don't know if it's really true, because no company can give you actually for spending 2,500 something a gift worth 2,500 free again. So I don't know, but yes, I am happy with what I got. I won't say I'm not happy, because this is the tea tree cleansing face mask. This is something that I really badly need right now because I've got a lot of pimples and breakouts on my skin, and I'm working on getting rid of all that. So yes, that is one of the products I got. It is a cleansing face mask from Good Vibes again. Can you see that, guys? Yes, it's going to work on my pimples. The next product is something I got free. Yes, I bought this aloe vera gel which I had already shown in my hair care haul video, and I got one more product from Mamaearth. So I got this anti-pollution face cream worth 349 rupees free on purple.com, which is like amazing, right? Look at that. But I don't know how this works because it's an anti-pollution face cream, fine. But how can a cream be anti-pollution? I don't know. Let's see. It says it has a registered trademark product called as Pollustop, which stops when you go out. You need to apply this, and the product called Pollustop controls your face from any pollution that's there on outside. So I don't know. I will try and share my feedback about this, guys. Anyways, it's a free product. So yes, free product number 2. So the next product I have here is this Good Vibes Lavender Soothing Toner. I always tell you guys, I am never ever having enough of toners and mists and face creams and anything related to skincare. Basically, I must tell you guys. So yes, I have this Good Vibes Lavender Soothing Toner. This also has color, guys. Just like I told you the last time, well, this doesn't have color. Wow, that's great. Impressing, because since the last mini toners that I have bought from, I don't have any problem with colors and toners. But yes, I felt that it was not an important product because this comes in a brown bottle where you don't see the color anyways. So I have face makeup on my face, so I'm not going to apply it on my face. And I don't recommend you giving skincare products to your kids either. So I'm going to just apply it on my hand. It smells amazing, guys. It smells like heaven. It's awesome. Can you see her smelling it all over? Yes, guys, that's how it is. She is just enjoying the smell. Do you enjoy the smell? Yes, she's enjoying the smell. It's awesome. Trust me, awesome, and it's amazing, guys. So yes, that is the toner from Good Vibes. That's a lavender toner. So the next product, I have this, guys. It was like I was thinking if I should buy it, should I not? Should I not? Because this is the Jasmine toner from the Vyam Ayurveda, which I don't know how to pronounce. Let me be honest. This is just a 50 ml of the product. Here you can see. I have never invested on face mist because face mist actually doesn't do much to your skin except that you feel refreshed when you use the face mist. So I was skeptical about buying this because it was for 200 rupees for just 50 ml of the product. So, but yeah, I am glad I bought it because, guys, it smells like jasmine. Want to smell it? Wow, guys, it's really nice. It smells really, I don't want to spray it either because it's going to be waste. It's just going to the air. And there's very little product of it, so I'm not going to spray it in front of you. But yes, the smell is, I couldn't stop myself. As soon as I opened this, the first thing I did was I smelled this, and it was bomb. Amazing. You will love it, guys. If you want to try something really refreshing, then you can go for this. The next product, actually there was an offer. If you buy two products from Vyam Ayurveda, you get 25% off. So then I bought this product, which is the Vyam Ayurveda Orange Peel Skin Brightening Pack. So orange peel, as you all must have heard, since my childhood I've been hearing that orange peel works really good on your skin for any marks on your skin, on pimples. It fights pimples and all those sorts of things. So it comes in a cute dabba like this, a steel dabba, and this is how you get the pack. I don't know, guys, I'm just like you out there. Even I am a fan of watching haul videos. I have seen everybody out there getting a wooden spoon with Vyam Ayurveda products, the packs. But I don't know, I never ever get a spoon. I don't know. That is what makes me so sad. But it's okay, guys. Anyways, the product is good. I have no complaints about the product. I have used their Amba Haldi. It does work well. So let's see how the orange peel is going to work, because the last time I had tried to prepare orange peel powder at home. I had dried out the orange peel and I had tried to use it on my skin, but I don't know. The moment I applied it on my face started burning, you know, because it has the citric acid content. Maybe that's why, I don't know, but I don't know how this is going to work. Let's wait and watch. So the next product, guys, is this. I had got all my products in this one big dabba. If you could see, this box is where I got the products. This time the products were also tightly packed, guys. In that box, it was literally so tightly packed. Can you see my box got damaged? Well, inside nothing has happened, but the box is already like folded and crushed, sort of. I didn't like that particular thing this time. Usually that's not the case with products we buy from purple.com, but this time yes. So this is a fancy product, guys. I don't know. They say this is a fancy product just by the what was mentioned. I just bought this product. This is argan facial oil with 24 karat gold and 10 ml argan oil actually. See, this is how the product looks. It comes with a dropper like this in this box, and this is priced at 300 rupees. It's 300 rupees, guys, and the product I got it, I think, I don't know, I cannot say the exact price because there were a lot of products free. But can you see, guys, this dropper is cross. That's so sad. Okay, let's see how I'm going to work with that. Let's see. As of now, no complaints. I will use it. I will let you know. Well, this is just a fancy product, guys. Let me tell you, there is no scientific proof that gold does anything to your skin. It's just a fancy thing to add gold in your skincare products so that people actually start believing it works on their skin. It doesn't. Whatsoever, it doesn't work on your skin, guys. So the next product I have purchased is the Dermdoc serum. It is the Barrier Protect face serum with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. This one is good for hydration. That's all, guys. This is how it looks, and this is the product, and this is the dropper, and this is the box, and you get it for 200 rupees, 199. And I think I got an offer on Dermdoc. I got 25% off on this product as well. The next product we have here is the hand cream from Aroma Magic. Again, just like I told you, there was, if I buy 2 products from Aroma Magic, you get 25% off. So this Aroma Magic Nourishing Hand Cream, 50 gram of the product. This is how beautiful the packaging looks, and the price of the product is 190 rupees, of course, before the discount. And inside, the tube looks like this. It's a yellow color tube. Beautiful, right? It's really very beautiful, and it smells good, guys. Yeah, this is the consistency. It's okay, not too thick, not too thin. So yes, I like the smell, and I will share the consistency, how it works, detailed review video soon. The next product we have, this is one of the most basic products you will ever find in the era of skincare. As of us Indians, I'm going to tell you, this is the first ever skincare product I used as I grew up as a teenager. This is a Multani Mitti powder from Alps Goodness. I was thinking of purchasing Multani Mitti from very long time. I am in a place where the climate is really humid, so Multani Mitti does magic. So this is for 100 rupees. You get 250 grams of the product, and again, discount 25% off. So I got it somewhere around 75 rupees, and for the amount of product that you get, guys, this is really a lot, because when it's only, I don't apply Multani Mitti on my hair. They say Multani Mitti is really very good for your hair as well, but I only use it on my face, and hardly I require 1 spoon of Multani Mitti with one little bit of rose water. Applying it on my face gives me a lot of glow to my face. It really works great. So the next product I have is this. Just like I told you, guys, these 3 are the products I bought. I paid for these and I got this free. So what is this product that I purchased is the Mamaearth Tea Tree Face Wash with tea tree and neem for acne and pimples. It has 100 ml of the product for 249. I don't know, guys, Mamaearth is the most hyped product, and the price of the products are too high. Something like this, you get an offer, just grab it off if you want to try how it is. So yes, I wanted to try because Mamaearth is most spoken about products, more controversies on the products, many of them telling it's good, many of them telling Mamaearth is just paying to get these products exhibited, it's not really that good. Seriously, I don't know if it's good, if it's bad, but yes, I thought let me try it for myself to tell you guys if it's really good. I am going to share a honest video, guys, not to worry. Soon, please stay tuned to my channel so that I can share my reviews. And suppose sometimes it does happen that you don't get updates from YouTube whenever I upload a video. So better to stay tuned to my channel or my the latest updates on my channel, what's happening, what's not happening. the best way is subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I will be sharing the link somewhere in between this video so that you can follow me on Instagram, and the link will be given below there so that you can follow me on Facebook. You can get the updates on the videos. All these things can happen with you. So yes, I will share the video, my feedback or my review on this product really soon. So the next product that I have, guys, is this made in Thailand product. I heard a lot about this product. It's called the Love Beauty and Planet with coconut water and mimosa flower aroma. You get 400 ml of this product, and it's a body lotion. I finished, guys. I am done with the this big dabba of Ayur body lotion that I had. So that's why I thought it's time I changed my lotions. Anyways, I'm right now using the Good Vibes. But the problem with this product, let me tell you guys, is it's really nice. I like the smell. I don't open it from here in the beginning because once opened, usually the product has to be used within a very short time. There's nothing like that mentioned in this bottle, but still, I don't want to take the risk for any product. So I just open it like this, smell it. The smell is amazing, very nice smell. She wants to smell whatever I smell, okay? So yes, this is the smell of the product. It's very nice. The texture is good, but this product is already a year old, guys. This was manufactured in, let me tell you, it was manufactured in July 2019, more than a year old, and it is good until December 2021, which means I just have 1 year to finish off this product, and I had no discount on this product. I had to pay complete 500 rupees. If you want, you could see the manufacturing date, expiry date mentioned here. It's already just 1 year to finish this off, which is something I'm not very happy about. And if you can see here, it's all dusted. I had to wipe. I just wiped off some of the dust from here, but still it looks very old. I don't know. I'm not so happy about this thing from Good Vibes first time. Not Good Vibes, from Purplle.com. First time I'm having this experience because I am not happy that they gave me something that's already a year old. Because the lesser time you have to use it, it's going to be difficult to finish off the product sometimes. I don't say always, but yes, I have to finish it off as soon as possible now. The next product I have, guys, let's move on, is the Good Vibes Rosemary Hydrating Face Wash. Now, why did I buy this? Is because of this color. Can you see how beautiful the color is? It's blue in color, and blue is my favorite color. I didn't see the benefits of this on your skin. I didn't see anything else. I just wanted to buy it for the color. And yeah, it smells sort of refreshing. It's quite different. But again, guys, I'm quite disappointed because it's all spread out on the lid. I don't know why. Not so happy with that. Well, now that I've purchased it, do I have any other way out of it? Definitely no. And I have the last two products from the skincare left out. This is a really long video. The next product, last but one skincare product that I have is a Good Vibes Honey Glow Toner. Guys, I might divide this video as well into 2 videos because it's taken too long. So this is a Honey Glow Toner from Good Vibes, and yes, this also has color in it. I'm not going to open it yet. I have a lot of toners, guys. I have literally, like, including this, it's going to be 5 toners. So the last product I have is the Mulberry Glow Toner from Good Vibes. Again, this also has the color. So yes, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel. Hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. In case you have any suggestions, you do want to subscribe to my channel, please let me know down there in the comment section what made you think you don't have to subscribe to my channel, and also let me know where I could improve. So that's it for today's videos, guys. Until my next video, take care, bye bye, love you all.